Hi guys. See, it's the see.
What's down there?
There's a big fall down there.
It'll fall. It'll fall.
Yeah, that's a big drop.
Thank you.
No problem. Hey man, he's good. He's adventurous. It's a good thing.
He's a little too adventurous sometimes.
You already doing? What are you feeling? Are you filming? Are you filming?
Yeah.
What are you filming, son? You seeing people have fun on the beach?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, that's great.
I'm filming people enjoying themselves.
I hope you're enjoying yourself.
Yeah, I'm enjoying myself.
I'm enjoying myself too.
Even at the fireworks.
The plane.
Oh wow. That. I think the fireworks are gonna start soon, man.
Yeah. See, look, it's flying to the moon. It looks like that's awesome.
Yeah, look at that. You can't see that.
Nah, it's too far away. Well, I think they're building up the suspense. Ryan, what do you think?
Yeah. It's setting up everything, maybe.
See how they're walking carefully? Because
Yeah.
they got they don't want to get sand in their shoes. There's a snake in my boot.
That's what Woody says.
Yeah.
See, look. That's the thing. No, I can't tell.
That's the thing? What kind of thing is the thing? What thing is the thing?
Over there.
The flag?
Yeah.
The red flag?
Where that is. Anyways, let me video the fireworks probably.
Oh, behind the flagpole, the firework tents are over there. That might be where they stored the fireworks, but I don't know where they're launching from. I don't think they're launching from the tent because you can't launch fireworks from under a tent. You can't have. It's got to be done in an open space.
Yeah.
But that's where they stored the fireworks. Where they're launching them is somewhere in this general area. But we've got front row seats, it seems, to it, so we should be seeing some pretty good colors tonight.
Yeah. Pretty ones. Probably red, blue, green, white.
That's pretty much it. Purple, maybe.
Yeah, purple too. Pink.
Orange.
Orange.
Do they do orange? Yeah, they do.
Yellow. Dark blue. And light blue, hopefully. Well, like a grayish light blue fireworks.
Yes. Yes, that's true.
Remember, that's the moon up there. That's beautiful on camera, actually.
If you get a drink, I'd like a popcorn.
See? Look at that. Beautiful. Okay. Let's start soon. Remember, that's the moon again. Like the moon at Sharon School, my old school.
What's that?
Like the moon at Sharon School.
Well, it doesn't matter where your location is. It's the time of the month and whether you get a full moon. You know? I think it's the time of the month or the time of the year. I don't know how it works, where you get a full moon. But either way,
There was a fireworks show in Sharon School too.
oh, there was.
Yeah. I went to it with my mom.
It's cool. A lot of kids there, like a lot of students there.
A lot of cars parked there.
Do you miss your old house?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you like better? You like your new house or the old house?
New house.
Oh, really? Well, it is newer
It's nicer.
and it's bigger.
Yeah.
Well, I think you're right, Ryan. They delay it on purpose. It's now 9:26
See? That's the time.
and it's late.
It's late.
Maybe they really mean 9:30. I'm hoping 9:30.
Yeah, maybe they really mean 9:30. That's probably like the time St. Greg's fireworks start too.
So, what? It starts at 9 o'clock Saturday night, but you think it's going to start 9:30?
Yeah. They're probably setting everything up, maybe. I guess.
I know one thing. You're going to sleep well tonight.
Yeah. See, that's the ground park. Let me get it. I don't know where the fireworks are gonna be. So, flashing the camera again.
Yeah, a lot of people are getting antsy, man. They're getting antsy, Ryan.
There's a lot of people here, actually.
I mean, most of the people are behind us. We're actually on the beach, but most of the people on the boardwalk.
This is a nice beach, actually. Those lights are beautiful on my camera. Guys, that's what's moving. Anyways, we're at the fireworks. Pretend we're doing the fireworks. Okay. I don't know where the fireworks are gonna be. I don't know. Maybe they're gonna be over here. I don't know where the fireworks are gonna be. I think they're gonna be right here. I don't know where they're setting them up. Anyways. Look, guys.
That's interesting.
That's the moon again. Beautiful moon.
Turn your camera on.
Huh?
Where is the fireworks? Oh, it's over there, Ryan.
It's over there. The fireworks are starting. Look, guys. Boom, boom.
Hey. You want to go closer? Go on this side? Come on.
It's not vibrating my chest today. Look, guys. Boom, boom. Wow, they're beautiful. Wow.
There's people around.
Okay.
I'll toss it somewhere.
That's boom. That's how the fireworks look like in our front yard.
Oh, yeah?
As beautiful as that.
Look, he comes.
Wow.
People enjoy it, okay?
I'm tired that she's smoking.
Wow.
I thought it was going to be on this side.
Look, guys, that's the fireworks. Wow. Boom. Wow. Boom. See? That's what I'm doing this year. Boom.
Come on.
The fireworks are not that loud, actually.
No, they're not. It's good.
Wow. That's how the fireworks look like in our front yard. They look as good as that. Wow.
I want to get...
Wow, it's so spectacular.
Let's get around the corner of this arcade, okay? Come on.
There's a line, boom. That's what I
Can you
said.
walk a little faster? Remember, it only goes for 8 minutes. I want to get front row seats.
Wow. This is beautiful. I'm glad we came.
I can't believe we sat in the wrong spot.
I'm glad we came.
All right, let's go closer, okay?
Yeah? Wow.
There's people around. What are you looking at?
I'm going to do it quiet. Wow. I hear the booms. It sounds like the headphones.
Yeah.
Well, when I'm wearing the headset, it sounds like the headset.
You don't really need it, man. Like I said, it's not that loud.
Yeah, it's not loud like it here in real life. But look, guys, those are the fireworks. Wow. Is that the finale?
I hope not.
I don't think so. Wow, those are the shoddy fireworks.
I see them, though.
Those were loud. Those shoddy fireworks were loud.
Let's go to here.
Wow. There's going to be a fireworks show on Saturday, too. Boom. It's so beautiful on my camera.
Fireworks fine. Take it easy. Too loud. You're louder than fireworks, you know that?
Oh, yeah, I am. Wow. I guess I'm not scared.
No, you don't need to. You never needed to, buddy. It was good like this all the time.
At Six Flags. Wow.
Make sure you capture this.
Okay. At Six Flags, I was scared, but now I'm not scared anymore.
Six Flags wasn't even scary.
Wow.
You know you're just as close as you were in Six Flags?
I am as close, but this is not really scary. Boom. Wow, there's a line. Boom. Wow, boom, crack. Boom, that's beautiful.
See how loaded the plane is?
Wow, green, it's glowing stars. Wow, they're loud. But they're not loud. They're not that loud.
It's not that loud. Let's move out the way a bit as we're standing in the middle of the road here. Is that post in the way?
They were setting off the fireworks there. Wow. Pop, pop, boom, boom, boom. They remind me of Sesame Place fireworks because the fireworks are similar. Is that the finale?
It's very pretty though.
Wow. See, I love the popping. This is beautiful. Pop, 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 pop. Boom. Wow. Those are the fireworks. See? A planet firework. Those are beautiful on my camera, actually. Let me make the camera darker. So I can see it like you can see it in real life, probably. Wow. Beautiful. Wow. But I don't think it's like how I saw the fireworks in Sharon School. That's a big one. Look, guys. Going down. Okay. Wow. That's my favorite one, actually. Look, guys. I wish my friends at my school are here. But this is still spectacular, though. Wow. I'm enjoying myself.
I'm glad you are. Sounds like you are.
I'm brave. Wow, I like that. I love those loud ones. I think I like loud fireworks like you.
That way the post is not there anymore. See that post in the way?
Yeah.
It's not there anymore.
See?
Now you
Those
can
are
get
the fireworks.
just a
Crap. Hopefully that's not the finale.
It's gonna be soon though.
It's gonna be soon because the fireworks were only 7 minutes long. Boom. You know what the fireworks remind me of? The baseball game.
Yes. That was a good show though. That was a really good show though.
That's what those remind me of. Wow, that's a big one in real life. But let me make my camera bigger so it can be big how you see in real life. Pop, it's lighting up the sky, glowing stars. It's a light shine, actually. Look at that shell going up. It's a firework shell going up. Boom, boom.
I like the colorful one.
Yeah, rainbow, pink. I'm going to tell the colors. Red and green. Red.
That's a huge one.
Yeah, look at that. I'm showing the video. I can see them from here, I'm sure. I can't kale anymore. That's this. Oh wow.
What happened?
Huh?
What happened? Why did you flip your phone?
But because I spoke about my girlfriend.
What?
Wow.
Maybe we can talk about that another time.
Yeah, maybe another time because I'm videoing the fireworks right now. Wow. Wow, that's a big one. Look at that green. I love that green. That's beautiful. Green are the glowing stars. This is a really nice show.
I think the finale is coming up, right?
Yeah, I think the finale is probably soon, guys.
Wait for it.
Wait for it. This is the same kind of music as Six Flags. Oh, well,
Yeah, keep the zoom out. That way you can capture everything.
all right. This is the same music as Six Flags. When I was scared of the fireworks at Six Flags. I think this is the finale. Or not yet, not yet. The finale is coming soon. Wow. They're beautiful, so beautiful. That's what my mom sounds like. They're beautiful. Wow, that's a really big one in real life. Yeah, it looks like a TV size. Or probably bigger than a TV size. Are the fireworks bigger than a TV size?
I believe so.
Yeah, I believe so. They're way bigger. Wow, beautiful. Wow, a spectacular show. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Wow. I think that's the finale. This is it. That's the finale. It reminds me of the finale of the baseball game. That was a nice show too. I saw the fireworks like this at the baseball game.
You know what? I think the baseball game might have on the 4th of July. I think.
Do you have it on your computer? Those were beautiful fireworks. I mean, I don't think they're beautiful as those.
Oh, look at this one. Look at this.
Wow. I don't think that's the finale yet. Wow, that was a loud one. I like that loud one.
Singing the national anthem.
Remember, I like loud fireworks like you do. That's the finale. That can be it. Look, guys, that's the finale. Remember, Kayla's my girlfriend. Oh my gosh.
What's her name?
Kayla.
Oh.
Wow. Red. It's really bright with my glasses on. Wow. 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 It's so spectacular in real life. I mean, always. Wow. Pretty. Wow. It doesn't sound like somebody popping a balloon after all, because I'm brave now. Look at that. Fireworks are not so scary for me anymore. Wow, that was a loud one. I like that.
You notice the singing the national anthem behind all these fireworks?
Yeah. This is the finale. Maybe. Yeah, I think so. Yep, I think so. That's the finale. That's so awesome on my camera. Let me make the camera darker so I can see how you see in real life. That's the finale. Good show. Pretty good show. Look at that line going.
Maybe it's not over yet, buddy. Oh, right.
That's the finale. Yes. Yes. Yay, finale. It reminds me of the finale at Sesame Place. Awesome. Yay. Wow. Awesome. Yeah. Wow. It sounded like a camera noise, that boom. Again. Wow. Look at that. Whistlers. I love those whistlers. They're so cute.
Look at that, look at it fall from the sky.
Wow, look at that light shine. Yay! Look at that smoke. Yay! I was brave.
You're always brave, son. I don't know. Who put it in your head that you should be brave? Who put it in your head? I didn't.
I guess it was in my mind.
I don't know who put it there, but it doesn't belong there. But let's go back.
Yeah, I don't know who put it there. That was a good show. I recorded the whole thing.
Shut that off now, okay?
All right. Bye, guys.